know this shit I keep my pocket thick on you funky shaded bitches, having you hoes talking about bitches.
So I'll be wearing these.
It's chaos. It's chaos here. I just paused my music. I'm honestly sick as fuck right now. I've been sick for the last, like, I want to say week. Like, I don't know why this sickness I have is trailing on. This is an accurate representation of, like, the clothes that I'm trying to buy. Like, I'm in them right now. But I'm preparing for my first pop-up, which I'm doing with Sarah Dunk. She's the one organizing it. And then there's like 7 other thrift YouTubers, TikTokers selling. I have 300 plus items, and these aren't things that I've thrifted for this pop-up or with an intention of reselling. It's literally all my old clothes. So, and things that I've thrifted that I've just never worn. Like, this Guess dress is so cute, but it just doesn't fit me right, and I'm never gonna wear it. So this is the perfect opportunity. I really wish I didn't take the tags off of it because it was dead stock. I have some pieces that are definitely more expensive because they're things that I personally would not sell if they fit me properly. Like, I have to give you an example. These True Religion sweatpants that I thrifted probably, I'm not even joking, 5 years ago. Like, one of my first like really great thrift finds, and they're just too short for me. But I checked out on Depop and eBay how much people sell like Truey sweats for, just because I don't know, like I've never inquired about that. And people sell them for like 130 pounds. Or it's just like the classic posting of them and then probably not selling but posting for interest. So I'm like, okay, and the colorway, like I didn't see anyone with these exact ones. Anyway, I priced these for 110, which is honestly like, that's expensive, but if they don't sell, I'm not mad. Like, you know what I mean? It's one of those, because I just love even having them. So excuse my appearance right now. I've literally been sick, as I said, for the last week and a half. This is the POV, okay? As I said, this is all $5 bin. So like, I didn't realize I have to also tag every single one of these pieces. Like, I have everything from old swimsuits that I'm never wearing again to purses to like, I don't even know, this huge turtleneck, like just so much stuff. And then I don't know why I'm just like so into these hand movements. This is clothes that I don't necessarily, well, not this, but these are clothes that I don't necessarily love anymore. And like, they've been needing to go for years. Like, I'm a fucking hoarder, okay? Like, I got this 7 years ago and this is going for $10. And if whatever does not sell is going right to Value Village, I will tell you that. So yeah, this bin is not really that relevant to me. This is all amazing stuff. Like, thrifted this in my most popular Come Thrift With Me, which was my Thrifting by the Pound. Just too cropped for me. This is too tight. It's so cute. It says use your tongue. It's Yoshi. Amazing. Like, this is all great stuff. Although I thrifted this in high school when I was probably 15. So that just paints you a pic of how long I hold on to clothes for. But it's amazing. So, I mean, I feel like my holding on to stuff is just being validated by this pop-up right now. A really classic denim jacket. The fit is amazing. The color is amazing. And when I bought it, it actually had a Bugs Bunny on the back that I took off, and it got like sun faded with it on. But anyways, again, right to Value Village if it doesn't sell. And then these are all my newer additions to the wardrobe that I've thrifted, and then for whatever reason they don't work out. Like, this is way too short for me. This too tight, so cute, just not for me. My brother actually thrifted these. Actually, no, I think I thrifted these, but I gave them to him because they didn't fit me. But he was like, I don't want them. So yeah, they're amazing, but they're too small for me, and they're also high-waisted, so I would not wear them, TBH. This like classic in my wardrobe. I don't know, honestly, I'm so excited to put all of this stuff on the rack and see like how people react to it, because like, this is me all of high school. So I think it'll be really cool to just like know who it's going to. Like, I donate things all the time, but like knowing, okay, someone now owns this piece that I've literally worn all through high school, and like, Yeah, I don't know, I'm trying to see some other examples. This isn't even all of it, to be honest. I also have another bag in another room, which I'm gonna go through. But like, I'm honestly not overwhelmed at all. I love doing this. Like, this is so fun for me. So yeah, I'm gonna continue. Don't mind this Zara. Like, this is going in the $5 bin. This is something I bought fucking so many years ago. Like, it's actually awful. No offense, because someone might buy it. And it's not awful, but okay, we're not gonna talk about this. It's going in the $5 bin, whatever. Like, this is the state of my room right now. It's got the IMG pants up here. It's very messy. But we're making a lot of progress, so it's all good. I also bought this tagging gun specifically for this pop-up, and tagging shit is so fun. Like, genuinely, this is the highlight. I love just putting my tag on everything. Like, are you kidding me? I know a lot of the girls that are selling alongside me actually thrift to sell, like, their proper resellers. So it's just kind of insane that I literally will have more clothes than some of them, and it's all just my old clothes. Like this sweater, I don't know, I just am fascinated by the fact that I've kept shit for so long, and that also the shit that I've thrifted within the last like 8 years is still relevant. Like, this is still fire, and I would still wear it. I just don't need it. And I feel like it's not even that I'm getting rid of things that I don't even like, it's just that I've had it for too long, to the point where I couldn't wear this sweater and feel like I just couldn't wear it, you know what I mean? Like, I've had too many moments in it. How much should I sell this for? I'm thinking like $25. And I'm not even meaning like, oh, I've had too many moments in it as in like I can't rewear my shit. I mean, if you can imagine fucking 6 years of owning this, like, it's done. Like, it's just done. This jacket I thrifted, and I actually cut or cropped it, whatever. I think it's cute, but again, has to go. Has to go. I have a Zoom class in about 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna continue tagging during my class and then hopefully finish. I also need to figure out like how I'm actually gonna get all my stuff to the pop-up, because I have one IKEA bag, but then I have like a laundry bin which I might just put in the car and bring, and then I'm thinking I'll do like a huge garbage bag of all of this stuff that I'm doing now, because this is gonna go on the racks immediately. Like, all of this newer stuff. Like, this is from 7 years ago. Anyway, but no, more of the relevant stuff, like, you know, like I have shit that I won't even put out if my rack isn't cleared of like the more relevant stuff. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna swap out this top for this Aritzia skirt. Do you know what I mean? Like, this might not even touch the rack, which is okay. The only rack it'll touch is Value Villages. I was like, I'm so gonna vlog my entire like experience of prepping for this pop-up and everything, because like it's really exciting for me to do, but I've been really sick through all of it, so the last thing I wanted to do was pull my camera, and even now I'm like definitely giving sick vibes. But whatever, this is like a chill vlog. It's Thursday today, the pop-up is Saturday, so I think I'll have all my prep done tonight, be ready for the pop-up on Saturday morning. And I'm going at 9:30, but people start coming at 11, and then it's on till 6, so I'm really excited. Obviously this is gonna be uploaded after the pop-up, but like I'm most excited just to meet people and like chat with people, because I've been in isolation for like a week. I also didn't have COVID, that's worth mentioning. I just had like fucking laryngitis and lost my voice. Okay, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Good morning, guys. I'm in the middle of getting ready and drinking a dirty chai, okay? It's 8:45 in the morning. I'm not running late. I'm actually running exactly on schedule, but for some reason when I feel like I'm on schedule, I'm late. Like, I don't have more time than I need, you know what I mean? And that's crucial when I'm about to apply false lashes, which is what I'm about to do. I literally got ready, didn't film it, and now I'm about to do the most stressful part of the getting ready, and I'm deciding to film it. I already chose my outfit last night because I have to wear Converse today. Are they here? Because the event is sponsored by Converse, so I'll be wearing these, which I literally got in grade 9, and they're not my size, but it's fine. So my outfit is styled around those. But yeah, I also washed my hair, and like I kind of wish I, you know, had like a go-to hairstyle for when I'm doing something I want to like look really cute for, but I just don't, like, I don't know, my hair The only way it looks good is if it air dries, but that's only sometimes. So we're just crossing our fingers that it looks good, okay? Like I put a lot of intention into doing it, you know, I was like scrunching it, like please, like look good, because oh my God, did I fucking switch up my lashes here? The lashes I'm using are also, this is another hopefully it works out moment, because I got these in Copenhagen. They're called natural. First of all, they're not natural at all. Like, do you see the band on that even? But these are my favorite kinds of lashes. They're just very wispy. So I was just cutting them to my eye shape. Okay, I literally need to focus on getting ready. So I'm gonna do my lashes, do my mascara, whatever, and then come back to you guys. Honestly, I could just do mascara. Like, I'm kind of happy my natural lashes have grown quite a bit. I used to never wear mascara because I felt they were too short. I literally didn't do anything but make my eyes look dark. But now, if you've never done a strip lash, bro, they are so amazing and they're so easy to apply. I feel like everybody has this like perception of them being impossible to apply, aka me, before I started doing my lashes. So easy. Like, it's literally, okay, me jinxing this so hard right now. Watch me come back and be like, yeah, I couldn't get them on. But no, like, it's usually pretty easy, okay? And I feel like today's gonna be extra easy, so let you guys know how that goes. Okay, no, I feel like this is giving a mega ball. This is not what I want, I don't think. It's giving me fucking flashbacks to like my insane lash extension days. So we're gonna abort. You know, once you put a lash on, you have to continue with it because it fucks your mascara up. Or maybe it's fine, I just need to cut it a little bit. It's just like, whoa. You know what I mean? I guess I'm gonna make it shorter. I'm gonna try the other one. You guys are probably like, no, take it off. And I'm like, I'm just gonna cut it. Yeah, I think it just needs a cut. It's fucking giving. It's giving a lot. It's giving me too much right now. I just got ready and I literally need to leave like 10 minutes ago. I got my Converse on. The event is sponsored by Converse, so I will be pulling up in these. But I need to leave like right now. And I will see you guys at the event. Let's go! Literally knocked the whole car fucking full.
Hey, so you wanna go? I don't even know.
Making this and that, but I'm gonna get the coffee bar,
Nigga in the face, he ain't cussing. He say I get hoes, little nigga, I ain't ugly. Trust me, don't think that you special cause you fuck me, you lustin'. Say you love me, don't trust it. Say you got desire, no Diddy, but I'm puffin'. Handful of space, don't smoke, it ain't nothing. All in the mix like a Twix from the left side. See my niggas in the hood, handing out high fives. To the bar, get a shot in the my top. Real ass nigga.
My first customer is Nora. What's your channel?
I don't post anymore.
You don't? No. I watch all your videos. It was Nora Malner. Yeah. At the pop-up. 841 Gerard's. Well, it's done now actually.
I need vintage squad.
Yeah. Pop-up's been amazing so far. Let's just talk over each other for the whole time.
It's chaos.
It's chaos here. We're
good
chaos. Yeah. Stay tuned.
I need this ganache in my life.
Go in. Pop-up has ended. This is literally all I have left. Everything else is sold, which is like 300 plus items. It's crazy.